The weather is nice. So we're going to be taking a little trip, yeah, to one of our lookouts.
You should come up here with your family sometime.
This vine is locally known as wild yam. Yeah, back in the days it was used to make collars for the animals. Yeah, somebody is clearing lands to build. So yeah, we are going up in that area there. Yeah, we're just gonna walk through until we get to the top.
Hey guys, Suni gave me her phone, so look at that. Look at how she's so strong. Come by, she got two tail.
I'm picking some ironwood berries.
Ironwood berries? What is that exactly?
Yeah.
I have no idea. I never.
Some little berries that our grandfather would have brought up first.
Oh, look one over there soon.
Some of them are dried.
But some of them
I
are.
remember them being bigger in our time.
Suni eat it.
Just climb up there and go under the trees, and you're gonna get to the top. Let me get a boost. Yeah. It's called Half of a Man's Life. Yeah, very useful for colds and stuff like that.
I just call it half of a man's life.
I'm not sure, baby girl. Almost out of this jungle. Yeah, we got some tigers. Yeah, in this jungle, you know. Yeah. Whoops, careful, there's a bottle or something here.
We have a treasure map.
Hey, let's see what it is. Oh, you know, it's plastic. So, you know, this would have been here for years. Look at it. But we know plastic take many, many years to break down. So that's gonna be around for many more years again. Whoa! We've made it out to the top. She's still coming. No, not sorry.
Hey guys, so this I can be I still think we're gonna find a bottle with a treasure map and we could go treasure hunting, man.
Back in the days, yeah, people would come cut their cold wood and they would burn it right there. So that's a very huge coal pit that was burned there. Going up there, yeah, that's called Lookout Hill. This was our romping ground, man. Yeah, we would come up here, we would try to find bird nests and get the bird eggs. Yeah, you know, back then we were small, and then we take it back down to our grandparents' home. Sometimes the older ones would walk with a little pan and match, so they say they're cooking and stuff like that. In the distance we have mainland St.Vincent. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, that's the mainland. That's Port Elizabeth and its surrounding. Yeah, this was blasted out during the construction of the airport. So the stones that they would have used surrounding the airport, yeah, because where the airport is, it was once water. Yeah, that was the ocean. Yeah, that was our diving ground, the reefs. Yeah, yeah, we would have enjoyed ourselves out on that reef. So this area was home to, I think, about 4 or 5 families. Yeah, so they have been relocated to the village over there. Right now we have many houses building. This is the area we call Popole. I remember Popole when they used to cultivate it. Yeah, very good soil. Things up there seems to have produced more than other parts of the area. Yeah, so persons would set the coal pit up there. They would take the animals for feeding. When it comes to regatta, there's a place we'd go. If they're chasing whale and you want to get a good view, you head up that side as well. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place up there. Yeah, back in the days I remember persons didn't want to live down here, especially down in the part we call Jaliso. I could remember them saying that only crabs live in Jaliso. So they used to refer to us as crabs. So they say we living in the crab hole, but hey, look at us. And if you check Jaliso now, there are a lot of houses. Yeah, a lot of persons coming, and everybody wants a piece of land. Yeah, Jaliso, beautiful place. I remember back in my days we only had, let me see, 3 families, 3 houses. Now we have can't even count them now. And Popole is soon going to be populated as well. Yeah, so we are trotting up to the hill. Yeah, some persons would hear about Lookout Hill, but they've never gone there. So if you want to get to Lookout Hill, it's simple. You just take the road that leads up to Popole, and here, as you can see behind me, you can drive. Yeah, you can drive here, especially now that the place is dry. Yeah, you have your vehicle. Yeah, you got your Jeep, nice 4-wheel. You can take a drive up here and enjoy the view.
Guys?
Yeah, the sun is burning her, so I'm always prepared
For anything.
Yeah, so I just pull the cup out of the magic bag.
And also, Suni is a tutor, so you can come by you. Bring all your homework, you can do all of them.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so we're gonna be taking this path, continuing this journey on this path. Yeah, so you can go down that hill as well if you're very adventurous. Yeah, we did that. You know, there's another road below there. Yeah guys, she's adventurous as well, so I'm gonna take her down to the bottom. Yeah guys, these roads were cut when they were building the airport. Yeah, so they are now basically used as areas for hiking when there is a regatta. Yeah man, we would find ourselves running all over the place just to find the best spot to see that race. Yeah guys, so there's still cement here.
Hey guys, so Suni is going to get the senior members. Look how tall that tree is, eh? So she's going by the tall one. She's going to look for a shorter one. So we're going to follow her. Suni said I cannot come in. So guys, hey. She's going to cut away the bottom here. Guys, don't forget enough. Let's go treasure hunting, guys. I still believe, guys, that we will find a treasure map. We will find a treasure map. And also, we're going treasure hunting. And we could find some treasure that has dolls in it.
Here we have it.
Here we have Suni and her best friend, the plant.
Cement tree.
Guys, what's up? We're back on the trail.
So yeah, below there is the ocean. We can't see good, and I won't bring her much closer. But yeah, we come all the way out here, find ourselves a space on the edge that we can see, and we would check out the race during the regatta time. That road has gone over to a part we call New Guinea Hill. So we are continuing our journey. Yeah, we see that there was an animal. Ah, perhaps it's a tiger I told you guys about. Yeah, look at that. So we're going, so we have roads diverting all over. Okay. Yeah guys, the last time I came up here, I think it was like 2 years ago, but we drove. Yeah, my brother brought us up this track, that road, in his Jeep. Yeah, we call it Betsy. In the regatta, you would find persons podged.
Stop, 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 stop. Woo. Woo. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Woo. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
This is it, guys. This is it. The Lookout Hill. Yeah, it's similar to Ma Peggy. Let me show you. Yes, it's similar to Ma Peggy, but being here, you look, you take one glance and you'll be able to see both sides of the island. You close your right eye and you're going to see Port Elizabeth and its surroundings. You close the left eye and you're going to be seeing Paget Farm. Yeah. On a very clear day, we'll be able to see Canoan and Union Island and the other Grenadine Islands in the south. Right now we can barely see them because the horizon is hazy. Yeah. We have Mustique in the distance there. Yeah, the island of the rich and the famous. Here we have Ailikat and Rame. As children and we go to the sea, yeah, before the airport time, we would shout, Ailikat and Rame, toot toot, Ailikat and Rame, toot toot. Yeah, hoping to get some waves to surf. And believe it or not, those waves came. Yeah, so we take the people's boat from the boat and we surf. I really look forward to going to this island, Pitinivis. That was the whaling station where they would take the whale to cut it up for sale. But it's no longer being used for that purpose. Right now the whaling station is the Sample Key, which is a smaller island around the corner. The next two islands close to Pitty Nevis that we're seeing there, they would be the Cherub Key and the Middle Key. Yeah. How was your walk, Natalia?
It was fun and my leg started to hurt, but it was still fun.
Okay, so is it the first time you've come to Lookout Hill?
Yes, and the rocks are like
Ma Peggy?
yes, Ma Peggy. I went up there and we went, and the police you come also went Springtop and Ma Peggy. But now because of COVID, they couldn't come.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, this is it. Bequia is nice, nice, nice. It's a paradise, it's a paradise. You come to it once, you'll come to it twice. So take my advice and enjoy the spice, because Bequia is nice, nice, nice. Bequia is nice, nice, nice. Yeah, guys, I just like being silly at times, you know. But yeah, truly, Bequia is really nice. Hey, guys, if you're looking for some place to visit, hey, the Lookout Hill, make it one of the places on your list to visit. Just look at the view that you get from here. Yeah, it's just simply beautiful.
You're amazing. What's up, my friends and people? Natalia in the house.
Hey, it's Sonia.
So guys, we just came back from our hike. It was terrific, exciting.
Yeah, so we are going on our picnic spot where we can get some goodies to eat. Yeah, we got some goodies in the bag, you know.
Biscuits.
Hey, I got goodies in the bag. What's wrong with you?
It's biscuits.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, you see the magic when I get over there.
Yes, it is biscuits. Guys, it's not bad. Guys, for true, it's biscuits. Believe me. Suni.
No,
Yes.
anything
Guys,
I put in my
believe
bag,
me. Guys, believe
it changes, yeah.
me. Guys.
My bag is a magic bag, Natalia.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it's a magic bag.
No, it isn't.
I can put my hand down in there and you'll be surprised. I can pull out something that's just magical.
Oh, I have an idea for you. Suni,
Hey.
make me invisible if you have magic powers then.
No, I don't want to lose you.
Fine, then make a portal and I will go back.
I don't want to lose you now.
Go back to the same portal. I can take off my hat now.
Yeah, you can take off the hat. See? The hat has magic powers as well.
It doesn't.
Look at how it makes you prettier. Look, look, look.
Guys, the hat doesn't have magic powers.
The hat made her prettier.
I am not. That's how I look.
Okay, guys, we're going to see you when we get to that site over there. Yeah, yes.
So, peace out.
Yeah. Mwah.
Peace out, guys.
Oh, look at the bird. It's in the tree.
Where?
It's there in the tree.
I can't.
Right, it's what we call a mommy. Okay, there it goes. Okay, there it is. It's beautiful. It's yellow. Has a yellow and white breast. Yeah,
A yellow and white what?
breast.
Oh, soon.
Where?
Excess love. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna find our way back down. So for the persons who haven't been up in this area, it's being developed. Yeah, you're wondering what's going on? Right, oh, that's what's going on up here. Yeah. So we're going back down. This is a nice little house there. Yeah. There's my hiker girl behind there. Look at her. Yeah, guys, we're walking through Papole, walking through Papole. It's amazing.
Ready for some? Go?
Huh? Hey, look at that. Okay, guys, so I am trying not to walk down through Jonestown, so we are going to be taking this path. I hope there's a clearance for us to get back down. Yeah. So, see you when we get down to the bottom. Yes, we made it out. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to follow us. Yes, so subscribe to our channel and you'll be able to see more beautiful gems of our island. Yes, the island of cloud, beautiful Bequia.